We're going to replace the cabin air filter in this 2020 Ford F-150. So to replace the cabin air filter, first thing you need to do is open your glove box. If you don't know how to do that, you should probably back away now. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is clean out all the crap from your glove box, because your glove box is going to come out. There's a tab over here and a tab right here on the side. So now that your glove box is down, you got to remove this little rubber deck here. There's some little rubber clips in there, but you just pretty much have to pull it out. So now that you have the rubber deck off, there's two 7mm screws that you'll need to remove. So the next thing you want to do now you got the two screws out is pull this off. There's clips on the top and the bottom. They come out kind of hard, so just yank on it and it'll come out. And you'll need to watch out for your glove box light connection over there. You can unplug it if you want to. I just carefully put it to the side, and that now gives you access to your cabin air filter compartment. So now that you've got all this stuff off and apart, what you want to look for in here is this honeycomb shaped black thing. That's your cabin air filter housing, and there's two tabs, one on this side, one on this side, and you just want to pull towards you and it'll come out. There's two little tabs on the bottom, and that's the tab you want to pull on the side. Your cabin air filter pulls out. I've already just replaced this one. So the orientation is with the skinny side, or the fat side down. I have marked mine with a date and mileage, so that if you're at the dealership and they bring you a filter that's full of crap and they're full of crap, you know that at least you marked it and you know when you did it. So personally, I just do these myself. It saves you a lot of money, but it just goes in. There's no direction this way, but it needs to go this direction up. Just slide it in. Just like that, and then you reverse the process. So the cabin air filter I used is this one. It's the only one I could find. I usually get the charcoal activated ones that are a little bit more expensive, but they help with smells and things like that. So it's really, I would really prefer that, but this is the only one they had at the time. I think probably they're all pretty much the same. They almost look the exact same as far as material and stuff like that goes. So Motorcraft or Fram or STP or any of them seem to be about the same. So to get it back together, just reverse the process. You put your cover back on, put your upper glove box back in, put the two screws back in there, and then flip your glove box back in, and you're done. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you watching. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share.